How to pay for and enroll in a course on the Online Efiko. Hello, when you have successfully registered and would like to start your learning journey, you must first make payment and enroll to access the courses. There are two methods of payment and enrollment on the Online Efiko. Method 1 is to pay and subscribe to all the Online Efiko courses. Method 2 is to pay and subscribe for individual courses. To complete either of these two methods, follow these steps. Ensure you are logged in with your username and password. Go to the two lines at the top right side of the page. The menu will drop down. Click on Course, then All Courses. It will show you all the courses on the platform arranged in different categories. If you are going with Method 1, click on this Subscribe to all Online Efiko courses. Click Preview Course, scroll down and either pay with Paystack or PayPal. Follow the prompts as appropriate and complete your payments. Once complete, you will have access to all the courses on the Online Efiko. For Method 2, select your preferred course. You can refer to the video on how to search for a course for guidance. Then, follow the same steps for payment in Method 1. Once your payment is complete, you will be able to access the course and start learning.